Premiere in this exhibition. So please come closer to the front to enjoy our printing demonstration during the presentation. So in the ever-expanding field of flexible packaging, Fujifilm offers a number of solutions, including water-based flexible production, which exhibits outstanding ecological performance, safety and efficiency. And due to the growing diversification of consumer needs and the shortening of the product life cycles, the flexible packaging industry must increasingly cater for short runs and quick turnarounds. In particular, there is a significant increase in short run of less than 4,000 meters. Since brand owners are expanding their product lineups to address the market characteristics specific to various regions, each printing job also involves multiple variations, while the need for variable printing is on the rise. So in these market conditions, conventional printing alone cannot meet cost and delivery requirements, leaving many converters unable to make profit. So we would like to introduce the MJP20W LED UV inkjet press for flexible packaging applications. This press is set to address the challenges of the flexible packaging industry, including short runs, multi-variety jobs and quick turnaround. The MJP20W combines an LED UV inkjet printer made by Miyakoshi with Fujifilm's proprietary UV inks, undercoat and nitrogen purging technologies. It is an innovative digital press that handles a wide variety of flexible package applications. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain its main features and specific advantages. The MJP20W press can deliver stable high-precision output even to film media at a productivity of 15 meters per minute when using 5 colors, which are CMYK and white. And because it uses an LED UV system that doesn't generate much heat, it also offers the benefit of reduced thermal impact on media and lower power consumption. And here are the 3 Fujifilm technologies which make the performance of this press possible, collectively summarized using the name Yukon. And we are coming to the first technology, and this is the new UV ink called UV-Jet, and that is developed by Fujifilm. It delivers stunning vibrant colors and excellent white ink coverage, which is essential in flexible package printing. But the ink also has strong media adhesion, and that means it doesn't peel off or dissolve even if the printed surface is heated. And this is why the ink can be used in applications that involve heat sealing to form a bag and in other high temperature processing. Coming to the second technology, which is the undercoating that prevents bleeding. UV ink demonstrates excellent curing property under UV light, but it can bleed when used on media that do not absorb the ink. So in order to encourage vibrant bleed-free output even on plastic film and other media for flexible packaging, Fujifilm has developed a new undercoating solution that retains the ink droplets where they are jetted. The undercoating solution is semi-cured before the CMYK inks are applied, so as to ensure that the inks are properly cured in order to reproduce the images clearly. The third technology is the nitrogen purging technology, and that produces the odor which is specific to UV inks. When exposed to UV light, UV ink instantaneously hardens with the polymerization of its monomer content. However, in regular UV irradiation, the oxygen in the air inhibits the polymerization reaction, thereby leaving some of its monomers intact. And these residual monomers cause a smell that is so typical to UV inks. And in order to encourage the reaction of monomer hardening, the press incorporates a mechanism to instantaneously cover the surface of the substrate with nitrogen gas as it is transported at high speed. Completely eliminating oxygen exposure in this process increases polymerization efficiency and reduces the amount of residual monomers. And as a result, this minimizes the smell while maintaining high productivity. Okay, this MJP20W press achieves excellent image quality, high productivity, low odor, and advanced safety, while also supporting short-run and variable output. Its compatibility with roll media enables long or endless printing for use in a variety of applications. This is an innovative printing solution that addresses the growing market need for short-run, multi-variety, and quick turnaround printing. And now you've got the opportunity to watch this machine actually running. So please come over for a second, try to watch, to have a look at how it is running. Coming back to the presentation, finally let me introduce another package printing solution, our Flenix FlexiPlate making system with outstanding environmental performance and efficiency. As you might know, environment-related laws and regulations are becoming tighter by the year. For processes involving the use of organic solvents, companies are now required to enforce strict chemical management, to report its use to relevant authorities. And furthermore, they need to make capital investments in facilities dedicated to processing and recovering spent organic solvents, with its processing costs causing an increased financial burden of factory operations. So the Flenix system, which eliminates the use of solvents, is an ecological plate-making process in compliance with laws and regulations. It prevents a negative impact on human health and global environment, while reducing the burden of chemical management. With no VOCs generated, it eliminates the need to set up an airtight production chamber, and thereby substantially improving the working environment. And on display at our booth is the Flenix FW series of water washable flexo plates. Fujifilm's proprietary blending technology delivers outstanding plate development performance. The development can be computed using tap water with dishwashing detergent, meaning the plate making process no longer needs any solvents and thereby eliminating VOCs. And now we are coming to the flat top dots. The ability to form flat top dots makes it possible to stably reproduce 1 to 99% half-tone dots at 200 lines of weight, depending on the condition. And furthermore, there is superior productivity compared to solvent-based development. The significant reduction in drying time means that it takes less than 40 minutes to produce each plate, which is 1/3 the time of a solvent-based system. The Flenix FW series offers major advantages in terms of environmental performance, quality, and productivity. And there are many printing samples on display, so take your time to browse through them. In addition to the water washable type, the Flenix system is also available as an engraved plate in Japan. And this is the Flenix FD series of direct laser engraving types of FlexiPlates, and they are also on display here. So take a close look after this presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the introduction of Fujifilm's latest solvent-free package solutions. We've got so many print samples here on display, so just have a close look to see the excellent image quality firsthand. I thank you very much for listening, for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the Fujifilm. Thank you very much.